Your Excellency, this state investiture ceremony is convened pursuant to Article 132(4)(c) of the Constitution to confer national honors upon distinguished individuals in service to the people and the Republic of Kenya. This constitutional tradition, as operationalized under the National Honors Act, Chapter 216A of the Laws of Kenya, grants the President the prerogative to confer national honors in recognition of individuals who leave a lasting example of distinguished service to the nation, the region, and to the whole of humanity. In the discharge of your constitutional duty, Your Excellency has conferred a national honor upon Dr. Akinwumi Adesina, President of the African Development Bank. The formal conferment of the honor is notified through a special issue of the Kenya Gazette, published as notice number 3450 on this 17th day of March in the year of our Lord 2025. Your Excellency, the African Development Bank has been a steadfast partner in Kenya's journey towards economic growth and sustainable development, supporting several transformative projects across the country. Among these, the Last Mile Connectivity Project has brought light to once sleepy towns and villages and is powering a technological revolution across the country. By extending the national grid across the length and breadth of our republic, the African Development Bank has helped move Kenya closer to realizing universal electricity access to be the foremost country with the highest electricity connection rate in Africa over the last decade. Other notable initiatives include the Thwake Multipurpose Water Development Program, which stands out as a flagship initiative. This project is a cornerstone in the AfDB's efforts to enhance resilience and improve livelihoods in Kenya. Earlier, we partnered with the African Development Bank on the development of Kenya's first ever dual carriageway, the Thika Superhighway. Other notable projects include the Nairobi Outer Ring Road Improvement Project, the Kenya Electricity Modernization Project, the Menengai Geothermal Development Project, the Lake Turkana Wind Power Project, and in agriculture, the Kenya Agricultural Productivity and Agribusiness Project. Sir, permit me now to invite the Vice CDF to facilitate the state investiture ceremony. Your Excellency, sir, it is now my distinguished honor and high privilege to invite you, sir, to take your place at the conferment arena. Once you take your position, sir, you will confer and bestow national honors on behalf of the people of Kenya to Dr. Akinwumi Adesina, decorating him in recognition of a distinguished and outstanding service to the Republic of Kenya and to the whole of humanity in his role as the President of the African Development Bank. Sir, I now invite the awardee to take his position at the conferment arena.
Good morning. Welcome to Kenya. Congratulations on this royal achievement.
Akinwumi Adesina is a distinguished economist and global development leader, currently serving as the President and Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Africa Development Bank. Dr. Akinwumi has transformed the bank into a globally recognized institution for financial innovation and development impact and grown the general capital from 93 billion to $318 billion. Dr. Akinwumi's visionary leadership has led to transformative initiatives such as the High Five strategy, Light Up Power Africa, Feed Africa, Integrate Africa, Industrialize Africa, and improve the quality of Africans' lives in general, which has positively impacted over 500 million people. He has launched the Africa Investment Forum, mobilizing over $200 billion in investments, interest to accelerate economic development across the continent. A passionate advocate for youth empowerment, Dr. Akinwumi founded the World Hunger Fighters Foundation to support young agripreneurs in Africa. With over 30 years of impactful service, Dr. Akinwumi continues to inspire global action for Africa's transformation, standing as a trailblazer for innovation, economic growth, and social change. Under Dr. Akinwumi's leadership, the Africa Development Bank has significantly contributed to Kenya's development through various projects, including the Last Mile Connectivity Project that aims to provide electricity to approximately 543,972 Kenyans by constructing 13 substations across 45 counties. Lake Turkana Wind Project, completed in 2019, increasing Kenya's electricity supply by 13%, including aiding Kenya's post-COVID-19 recovery efforts, and new 5-year country strategy paper, CSP, for Kenya's 2024 to 2028, that focuses on infrastructure development, economic governance, and human capital development. Dr. Akinwumi is also a prolific writer and has authored over 70 scholarly publications. He celebrated his 65th birthday on February 6, 2025.
Your Excellency, sir, as we culminate the day ceremony, I invite you, sir, to take your seat on the ceremonial desk to execute the Presidential Award Certificate. The awardee will witness as Your Excellency sets your hand onto the certificate. Sir, permit me now to invite the State House Legal Counsel to convey the instruments. Your Excellency, sir, may I now invite you to graciously retreat to the arena for the rest of the program.
Dr. He is graciously awarded the Chief of the Golden Heart. Congratulations.
Your Excellency, sir, permit me now to invite the State Awardee